This AI-generated video, crafted with human effort, will explore Google's brand new Gemini 3. Google just released a massive update to its Gemini family, and Gemini 3 represents their biggest leap yet. This model is a full-blown evolution, transforming how we learn, build, and plan. Today, we'll break down what Gemini 3 can do, how it compares to Gemini 2.5, and why everyone is talking about it. Gemini 3 is Google's newest frontier model, designed to help you learn, build, and plan anything with unprecedented depth and nuance in reasoning. It offers massive multimodal understanding, genius-level reasoning benchmarks, and a huge 1 million token context window. Gemini 3 is rolling out across Google products, including Search, the Gemini app, AI Studio, and Vertex AI. One of its highlights is the Learn Anything capability, allowing you to input long PDFs, video lectures, or research papers. Gemini 3 can build interactive lessons, explain complex topics through stories or diagrams, and break down math problems step by step. It can even analyze a video of your tennis swing and build a personalized training plan, a major evolution from Gemini 2.5. Gemini 3 Pro outperforms Gemini 2.5 Pro on every major AI benchmark, demonstrating PhD-level reasoning. It achieves higher ELO scores in reasoning challenges, over 90% on GPQA Diamond, and dramatically better long-chain reasoning. Gemini 3 also exhibits fewer hallucinations and reduced sycophancy, making it simply more thoughtful. While Gemini 2.5 handled multimodal input, Gemini 3 understands it with much deeper context, integrating images, text, video, and code seamlessly. It truly gets the situation, whether you're providing a diagram, a spreadsheet, a photo, or a YouTube video, reducing the need for extensive prompt engineering. Gemini 3 uses its 1 million token context more reliably, referencing details deep within long documents and tracking information across hundreds of pages. This is where Gemini 3 goes from smart assistant to co-pilot with Google's new Agentic platform, Antigravity. Antigravity lets Gemini 3 design full UIs, write code, plan steps, test apps, fix errors, and validate entire workflows. Gemini 3 actually executes multi-step plans like a junior engineer, a significant leap from Gemini 2.5's code generation. With Gemini 3, Google demonstrates it running a simulated business for a full year, making strategic decisions across finance, marketing, HR, and operations. This showcases long-horizon planning that Gemini 2.5 simply wasn't built for. Google states Gemini 3 is their most secure and extensively tested model yet, passing deeper safety evaluations. It handles edge cases better, is more resistant to prompt manipulation, and is noticeably more grounded. For everyday users, Gemini 3 means your digital assistant becomes truly useful, teaching, planning, analyzing, and creating without friction. For creators and entrepreneurs, this translates to faster prototyping, smarter automation, and real multimodal creativity. For developers, it's a dream model with agentic tools, improved coding, and deeper API integration. The TLDR. Gemini 2.5 was strong, but Gemini 3 is a leap with smarter reasoning, better multimodality, planning, and safety. It truly has the ability to build anything, marking an era where AI isn't just responding but collaborating. This entire script was AI-assisted, delivered with human taste. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, or share.